Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the Samsung The Freestyle 2nd Gen portable projector. Let's see if this sleek device lives up to the hype. Samsung's Freestyle 2nd Gen caught our attention with its compact design and promising features. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design and features. The Freestyle 2nd Gen maintains the cylindrical form factor of its predecessor, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry around. It's lightweight, coming in at just 1.8 pounds, and the included cradle stand offers flexibility and positioning. The projector comes with a solar cell remote control that doesn't need batteries, and it's compatible with voice commands via Samsung's Bixby or Amazon Alexa. Plus, Samsung offers a range of accessories like a battery base for extended use and a socket adapter for ceiling projection. Now, let's talk about picture quality. The Freestyle 2nd Gen impresses with its ability to project images up to 100 inches in size. However, its LED light source provides limited brightness, so optimal viewing is in dimly lit environments. While colors are relatively accurate, the contrast could be better, and details in dark scenes might lack depth. The projector supports HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG, but we didn't notice a significant difference in picture quality with HDR content. Moving on to value, the Freestyle 2nd Gen comes with a hefty price tag compared to other portable projectors on the market. However, it does offer unique features like Samsung's gaming hub for cloud-based gaming and the Tizen Smart TV interface for seamless streaming. If you're willing to invest, the Freestyle 2nd Gen offers unmatched portability and versatility, especially for gamers and streamers. But if you're on a budget or prioritize brightness, there are more affordable options out there. So, should you buy the Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen? If you're looking for the ultimate portable projector with gaming and streaming capabilities, it's worth considering. But if you prioritize brightness or 4K resolution, you may want to explore other options. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product critiques. Until next time, happy projecting!